My name's Andy and this is MagooInvesting. I've been making videos talking about investing in the stock market for ordinary people since 2018, and it's something I'm incredibly passionate about. You look around YouTube and you see a lot of people throwing a lot more money around, and it makes these smaller investors feel really inadequate, and that's how I felt in 2017 when I was figuring out about investing, and I felt like I didn't have any resources to go to. So that's why I created this channel. I'm just an ordinary guy. I make around $40,000 a year, and I'm just trying to show that ordinary people can benefit from the stock market. You see a lot of discouraging things about, if I invest this amount of money per month, this is what it's going to turn into. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but this channel is all focused about consistent habits and the psychology behind investing that we can take advantage of, so that ordinary people can build wealth over the long term. This is a channel where I'm not going to be pushing momentum stocks. I have no interest in pushing these meme stocks that are going to go up a lot and down a lot, and people are going to make and lose a fortune. I'm here to talk about sectors and stocks that I own, stuff that is going to be long-term growth potential, about overall sectors, and not picking winners and losers. That's not what this channel is about. I'm not going to push products to you. I have no sponsors, and I intend to keep it that way for a long time. You're never going to see a long apology video about me pushing some crypto exchange that goes bankrupt and people lose millions and billions of dollars. That's not what I'm here for. And I won't talk down to you. Investing is difficult enough, and as you're getting started, it is really overwhelming. And hearing these large terms and not being able to explain them makes it discouraging to people just getting started, and that's not what I'm here for. I'm trying to make investing as accessible as possible, and trying to make investing terms as easy to understand as possible is going to be the goal. This isn't a channel that's going to be something where you've been investing for years. You might not get a lot out of it, but the goal of this channel is to turn people that are just getting their feet wet in investing to feel comfortable investing on their own and being able to build wealth for the future. And finally, I'm not going to hide anything from you. I'm going to be as transparent as possible. You ask what positions I have, I'll let you know. You want to see my portfolio value? I'll show you. I have nothing to hide, and I'm going to show you my losers as well as my winners, because I think it's really important to show the ups and downsides of investing. It's great when everyone's making money, but in a market like this, it feels very lonely when you're down money and you see these large YouTubers only talking about the winners that they have right now. I'm going to show you the winners and losers that I have in my portfolio. My name's Andy. This is Magoo Investing. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to hit that subscribe button for future videos.